Hello, thank you for watching Mr. A's Montessori channel. Today I'd like to show you how to use the color tablets. The first box is set A. It teaches the three main colors of red, yellow, and blue by pairing. The second set is ColourTablet Box 2. It teaches the three main colors of red, yellow, blue, and the other colors of purple, green, orange, brown, gray, pink, white, and black by pairing. The third color tablet box teaches the gradation of nine colors of 7 different shades of darkest to lightest. Today I will be showing color tablet box 1. The first step is to show the child how to carry the color tablet box 1 to the work area using both hands, one hand on each ends. In this video, I will be showing from the part when all the color tablet box is placed on the table. Then demonstrate how to hold the color tablet by holding it from the wooden ends using the thumb and index finger and not the color part. Then place the color tablets in random order on the table. Then choose the red tablet and separate it from the others by putting it in front of the child. Then look at the red tablet carefully and find its pair in the remaining tablets. After finding the matching pair, place it on the top of the work area. Follow the same steps for the yellow tablet. Place the yellow tablet under the red pair. Find the blue pair next and put it under the yellow pair. When all 3 pairs are placed in a column, point to each pair and say to the child, "These are a pair because the colors are the same for each one. This is a pair because the color is the same. This is a pair because the color is the same. This is a pair because the color is the same." If the child shows interest in the activity, do a 3-period lesson by naming each colors first. Then in the second period, have the child put the color tablet that you name in your hand or point to it. In the third period, the teacher points to each pair by starting with the last tablet in the column and ask the child what color is this for each pair. Place the tablets back in random order on the work area and have the child repeat the activity. The purpose of this activity is to introduce the child to the 3 main colors of red, yellow, and blue. This ends my video today. Please like and subscribe to my channel. For color tablets set 2 and 3, I will be doing a lesson on the next video.